Okay, so this video is for one of my YouTube subscribers who asked about my Sony MEX-M72BT XM enabled radio. And the question is does it display the score on XM for Major League Baseball games? And the answer is yes, it does. So right now there's a Kansas City, New York Yankees game going on channel 89.
Impressive young left-hander Cole Reagans for KC. Works from the third base side. What
you do is you got to push this display button right here. See that button right there? And it will scroll through the information. So this is a sports channel. I don't leave it showing that. That SX2 means it is the second group of saved channels on my XM list. Push it again. Shows the battery, my current battery voltage for the vehicle, 13.6 volts. My saved program channel is channel 6, but it's channel 89. See? And I push it again, and it says MLB radio. Push it again. MLB, bottom of the first, no outs. Push it again. Kansas City 0, New York Yankees 0. And so yes, the answer is yes, you can get the score, which is pretty cool. It's a nice feature on a pretty cool radio. Now, if you do wind up getting a radio like this, let's say you wind up getting something like this, you're gonna have to, you still have to get the XM receiver that plugs into the back of this and have that activated. Got it? And then what you do is you program your favorite channels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they have 2 layers of it. So there's an XM1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a second series 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can basically save 12 channels. And then if you want to go to a channel manually, you push this PTY button right here. I don't know what PTY stands for, but you push this button. It takes you to this thing that says channel. You push this button, and then you can go through and select manually. Like if you're like, I don't know what channel I want to zoom to a higher channel, something outside of my saved channels, you know, you can do that. So like, I mean, there's obviously a bunch of channels here. I a lot of times listen to Fox. I listen to Willie's Roadhouse. I listen to the 60s channel. I love to listen to the CD player. This has got a CD player right here. And I listen to Bluetooth quite a bit. And this is a fantastic retro looking radio. It looks retro, but it is, it's a single DIN. And if you remember from my review video, I went with a different Metra faceplate. See that? And it's got a pocket in here. And I don't use the pocket much for anything. What I do have in here is the actual radio's Bluetooth remote, which I rarely ever use. But the key is I went with this faceplate because it gives it to people who don't know much about this type of Chevrolet truck platform. When they see this type of casing, they're like, they think that the truck was originally set up for single DIN when it wasn't. It was set up for a DIN and a half. I love this radio. It was a bargain off Crutchfield. I got it on sale for $135. I love it. One more thing I didn't mention to y'all though about this radio is on the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth range is about, well, how about this? I know it's at least 200 feet because I've walked off from the vehicle 200 feet and I'm still able to adjust the volume from my phone, change tracks on my phone when it's set up on Bluetooth. And once again, this is, of course, the marine radio. And the main difference with the marine radio is you can, you've got this backlit screen, which is easier to view when it's sunny outside. And my camera phone is having difficulty adjusting to this, but this normally is super easy to read all times during the day. You can change the brightness on it even. You can set it so it will automatically dim in the evenings. And the one that I bought the other model, the non-marine version, I was having difficulty reading it during the daytime. I was like, can't read that. And I was like, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go with this guy. And then if one day I ever yank it, I'll put it in a boat or something. But great radio. I hope this video has helped you. I may have given you too much information. And thanks for watching.